Good morning, children. Now we have what? Good morning, children. Still now we have seen computer network, types of network. Now our next topic is network topologies. Okay. Network topology. Okay, what do you mean by the term topology? Topology is the pattern of interconnection of nodes. The pattern of interconnection of nodes in a network. Okay, in a network that is known as your topology. What do you mean by this? Topology is we can say the structure. If I am having 10 computers, okay, I am having 10 computers and I want to interconnect, or I want it in a networking phase, okay, then how the computers आ गया है तो मैं कैसे connect करके रख दूंगी क्या? No, I will design the computers. How to design so that I can move easily between the computers. Okay, so that is known as your network topology, or that we can say that it is a topology. Okay, the structure, the design, or the pattern in which the computers are interconnected to each other, then it is known as network topology. Okay, so there are different types of network topology. First one is your bus topology. Bus topology. This is a very common topology which we used to see in our computer labs. Okay, what is that bus topology? When one computer or one node is connected to each other in a linear form. It is connected in a linear form. Then it is known as bus topology. Okay. When all the computers or all the nodes are interconnected to each other in a linear form, then it is known as your bus topology. Okay. Now next one. What is the disadvantage of this topology? The main disadvantage of this topology is that suppose if one system is not working, this is not working, then the data will not go further. The transformation of data will not able to go further. That is your main disadvantage of the bus topology. Okay. अगर ये सिस्टम काम ही नहीं कर रहा है तो तुम डाटा कैसे ट्रांसफर करोगे, और यहाँ का डाटा वहां कैसे ट्रांसफर होगा, राइट? सो दैट इज योर मेन डिसएडवांटेज बस टोपोलॉजी. सेकंड वन इज योर स्टार टोपोलॉजी. स्टार टोपोलॉजी. Star topology, what is that? That this is a central hub. At the center you are having the server, and all the computers are connected in the form of star or in the corners. These are the nodes or clients we can say, but your server is at the center. So this is star topology is known as central control system. Okay, your star topology is having the control at the center, and all the computers are dependent on this server. If the data is being transferred from this system to this system, then it will go through the server only. If I want the data from this system to this system, I want to send some data, then it will go to the server, and then that server will send the data to another node. Okay, so this is a star topology. The main disadvantage of this topology is that if the server will not work, then then each computer will work as an independent computer. जब सर्वर ही काम नहीं करेगा तो डेटा कहाँ से ट्रांसफर होगा? Okay, so the it is depend on the server. And another disadvantage of star topology is a long cable length. Okay. Then it is difficult to expand. If I want another two computers to be connected to this star topology, it is difficult to expand. And it is mainly central node dependency. The main disadvantage of star topology is central node dependency. Okay, so we have seen the disadvantage. Then what is the advantage? Easy of service. If any one of the computers is not working, we can know that okay, this computer is not working. We can make it rectify. Okay, so that is the main disadvantage. So one device per connection. From this computer only one server is being connected, not the other computers are connected, right? Then it is having simple access protocols, right? This is your star topology. Now in the bus topology, what are the advantages? Short cable length. The cables which are needed to connect, it is of short length. Next one is easy to extend. If I want more systems to be connected, then I can get connected. It is easy to expand. If disadvantage of the bus topology is fault diagnosis is difficult. Fault diagnosis means if any of the system is not working, the person has to check every system that which system is not working, why the data is not being transferred. Okay, so that is the main disadvantage. Then nodes must be intelligent. Nodes must be intelligent means each node on the network is directly connected to the central bus. This means that some way of deciding who can use a network at any given time must be performed in each node. Okay. Next one. This is your bus topology and star topology we have seen. Next one is your ring topology. Ring topology means, third one is your ring topology. Okay, ring topology means when all the systems are connected to each other in the form of circle, in a form of a ring, circular form, then you can say that your topology is a ring topology. Okay. The advantages of ring topology is your short cable length. Next one, no wiring closet space required. Means one computer is connected to only another computer only, na? So there is no interference of other computers connection, and it is suitable for optical fibers. Optical fibers is used for the connection of ring topology. Okay. Now the disadvantages of ring topology: difficult to diagnose the fault. In which system there is a fault, it is very difficult to find out. Then network reconfiguration is difficult. Okay, next one is node failure causes network failure. If any one of the system will not work, the system will not work, then the whole topology, whole computers which are in the network will not work. Okay, that is your ring topology. Fourth one is your tree topology. Fourth one is your tree topology. Tree topology, when one system is connected to another system and it is expanded like the branches of a tree. Okay, then it is known as your tree topology, right? when your system the shape of the network is that of inverted tree. ट्री कैसा रहता है, ऐसे रहता है, ब्रांचेस रूट्स ऐसे रहते हैं, फिर ब्रांचेस बढ़ते हैं, है ना. ये तुम्हारा ट्री हो गया, बट इट इज अ इन्वर्टेड पार्ट. ये तुम्हारा मेन सर्वर हो गया, वहां से तुम्हारे ब्रांचेस आर एक्सपैंडिंग. सो दैट इज द इन्वर्टेड पार्ट ऑफ द ट्री with the central root branching and sub branching. Okay, so the advantage of a tree topology is it uses point to point wiring for individual computers. This is point to point, 1 to 1. Okay, it is supported by several hardware and software. Okay, then next one is the disadvantage. What are the disadvantages? If the backbone line breaks, if the main computer line breaks, then there will be no exchange of data. Okay, it is more difficult to configure and wire than other topologies. See here, it is just like looking like so much complications, है ना? So it is more difficult to configure it. Then over length of each segment is limited by the type of cable we are using. So this is your tree topology. So we have learned the 4 types of topologies: bus topology, star topology, ring topology and tree topology. Okay, thank you. So this is your bus topology, right? Next one is your star topology, then ring topology, and this is your tree topology. Okay.